How to drive Miss Smith mad. Watch our new funny video with a new compilation of funny school pranks we don't recommend repeating in class. We are going to arrange a real circus in class. We sneak in a bright garland to the teacher's purse. Tie up a lot of colorful pieces of fabric together, one by one, and put the rainbow garland into a bag. Miss Smith reaches to take a handkerchief out of her bag and takes out heaps of them. Bravo! Bravo! It's a real trick! Miss Smith may perform in a circus. Want a real trick? Here you are! Miss Smith can stop the time. When the girls stop moving, Miss Smith ties all the stuff on the desk using fishing line. She ties up the girls too. When the friends wake up, they barely manage to get out of the treacherous teacher's net. Our Miss Smith is like a real spider herself. The teacher can tangle not only the girls. This test is not for the faint of heart. Try to untangle earphones. We will need one pair of regular earphones and a lot of broken earphones with wires of the same color. Cut the earbuds off of the broken earphones and attach the broken plugs to the joining of the working earbuds and the plug. Camouflage the joining place with knots. The blue-eyed girl takes a heap of the earphones out of her backpack. Oh no! How could they have tangled like this? Now a real lottery begins. Which of the plugs is actually working? Don't mess with Miss Smith. You'd rather prank your desk neighbor. Sneak in a glued bottle. Put an empty water bottle on the side. Hot glue the neck layer by layer to close the bottle. Make a small hole in the bottom using a hot glue gun nozzle. Fill the bottle with water through the hole using a syringe. Hot glue to shut it up. The blue-eyed girl wants to take a sip, but the neck of the bottle is sealed. She tries to break it through with scissors, but it's all for nothing. The access to water resources today is denied. I will also return the favor. I will sneak in a weird marker to my friend. Fill a marker cap with flour. Put the cap on. Redhead opens the marker and gets covered with flour. The marker doesn't work, and my hands look as if I've been baking buns instead of being in class. Redhead takes her backpack to get some wipes, but she takes out some hay instead. Stuff the backpack with hay. You can buy it at a pet shop. What is going on? Why does my backpack look like it's been at an agricultural exhibition? At least my friend hasn't put in a lamb or a rabbit. Miss Smith wants to put her documents in order, but it looks like the sheet protectors in the folder have closed for a lunch break. Cover a sheet protector with parchment paper on the opening side. Heat it with a flat iron. The sheet protector seals and you can't open it. The teacher tries to open the sheet protector, but it's in vain. She just throws away the damaged sheet protector when she grows impatient and declares a war. Crossbow is her weapon. Hide, everyone! We will need 4 pencils of the same length. Tie 2 pairs of pencils with rubber bands. Fasten the tied pencils crosswise. Take an empty pen barrel without the tips and tie it on top. Attach a binder clip behind the barrel. Tie a rubber band to the horizontal pair of pencils so that you get a bowstring. Connect the center with a piece of tape. Stretch the bowstring and fasten it with the binder clip. Insert a refill inside the barrel. Miss Smith is on the warpath. She releases the bowstring and the missile comes out. It aims directly at the students. Air attack of the desk! Rock, paper, scissors. My prank is next. The blue-eyed girl wins. She's lucky. She wipes off the blackboard and draws a crown with a title, Queen of Instagram, on it. Miss Smith sits down. Exactly what we need. She fits into the shot perfectly. We take a photo of her with the crown on her head. This photo will get hundreds of likes for sure. And Miss Smith can't figure out why everyone looks at her like that. A real star of Instagram should shine. Let's apply some glitter to our teacher. We walk up to Miss Smith, spray her, and blow glitter into her face. There you go. Now she is definitely a star. We have a new teacher, Miss Pussycat. She is such a nice lady. Anyway, we're going to let her know what awesome pranksters her students are. To begin with, we'll put in a weird additive to improve her coffee taste. Toss any effervescent tablet into a cup of coffee. You may put a few ones at once to get more foam. We are tossing an effervescent tablet into the teacher's cup. Oh, there's going to be a volcano eruption right now. Miss Pussycat is puzzled. What's going on? I teach math, not chemistry. What kind of chemical reaction is it? She uses plenty of napkins to clean the traces of the weird experiments. Well, apparently, she'll have to get her coffee some other time. We sneak in two little friends for Miss Pussycat while she is away. Come on, little spiders, take a walk. Cut one finger off an old black glove. Fill it with cotton. Hot glue the edges. Draw eyes and a number 1 on white paper. Cut out and attach to the body. Crack a toothpick and shade it black to make a spider leg. Hot glue 6 of the same legs to the sides of the body. Make spiders number 2, 4, and 5 in the same way. The teacher comes back. She takes chalk without looking at it. Oh my God! A spider! And one more! And more! What's this? Ah! They have a number! This one is number 4, and where are the rest? Here is the first, the second, and the 5th one. And where is the 3rd spider? It isn't under the chair or behind the blackboard. Does it study in a different class? Has it crawled on my head? Phew! There is no number 3. Miss Pussycat has just got over her fear of spiders when suddenly a giant black spider comes down from the ceiling right onto her head. Oh dear! Trace a big circle on a piece of black fabric using chalk. Make 2 identical details. Cut out 2 semicircles. Make 8 identical strips out of the same fabric. Attach 4 strips opposite each other to the big circle and hot glue the second black circle on top. Leave a little hole to fill the body with cotton. Make a spider head out of 2 semicircles in the same way. Make eyes from light fabric. Tie knots at the ends of the legs. Cut a finger off an old glove and make a nose. The teacher quickly hops off her seat and rushes out of the class. I didn't agree to teach spiders. No, Miss Smith, deal with your students on your own. Well, are you in huge trouble? Miss Smith is not the one to get scared of spiders so easily. She's an old soldier and an established teacher. After dealing with students like this, she isn't afraid of any spiders. Miss Smith doesn't mind pranking her students herself. Now, she's going to arrange a workout for their eyes and nerves. Print out a picture of an optical illusion and glue it to 2 facing pages of a notebook. Glue 1 more illusion to the next facing pages. The teacher hands out the notebooks to the girls. Redhead opens her notebook and enters the trance state. Everything is whirling around in front of her. Miss Smith must have hypnotized the students to put knowledge right into their heads. And the blue-eyed girl notices spooky spiders on the desk. Cut out printed pictures of spiders. Attach them to a strip of wide clear tape and tape the spiders to the desktop. Ah! Go away, you little monsters! Phew! Fortunately, those are just stickers on the desk. Miss Smith, you won't get away with it! Did you like our school pranks? Then write in your comments how you will prank your friends at school. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new prank ideas.